recording. Got anything to say, babe? Got anything to say?
What you think? You're dragging me out here. Look at this new camera. Let's take pictures of new people. Looks like it.
Yeah, he's a photographer. Look at this, babe. This is Lakeshore Drive, South Shore. It's deserted. Cars are stuck over there. I see a bus over there. He's not going to make it over here. It's like this out right here, this entrance. Right here, over there.
Where?
The building entrance right here.
Oh,
Pretend you're going in there.
What?
Look how deep the snow is here. Try to walk down this block right here. You won't make it.
I can't.
See the cyclone? There's a cyclone over there. Wow, this snow's got to be at least 5, 7, 6 feet deep. This is the entrance. This is the entrance to this building where we live. And as you can see, a lot of drift. Wow, check this picture out. This is a different state for today.
Look at this! Look at this!
Yep.
Chad, is that right there? I can't make it! I'm stuck!
We are in South Shore Drive right now. This place is completely closed out. And no bus is coming this way.
It's so quiet. It's no civilization.
Couldn't go today, so there's the reason why, folks. I didn't call because I didn't want to. Had to.
Y'all walk lightly.
Let's go on the street and walk it. Want to walk?
Yeah, let's walk down here. Hey, y'all walk lightly. See how I'm still on?
Here's a bus stop. This is where I take the bus to work sometimes. And there ain't no bus coming anytime soon. Not today. Wow. This is definitely 4 feet of snow through here, probably more. I'm actually on South Shore. As you can see, deserted.
Whoa, look at this!
I know.
Let's go down that way, see the cars being stuck.
We're going to head over to 75th or 73rd right now.
This is a busy street and we're walking right in the middle of it.
Yes, sometimes cars
Isn't
are
that
50
cool?
out here.
As busy it is. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be no school tomorrow. Look at this. We couldn't drive.
No, we're getting stuck here. They haven't plowed this at all. Nope. This is my stop where I go to work, as you can see. No bus is coming here at all today.
So it's on sidewalk.
Yeah.
Bro, you look froze.
I do. It's all the snow's on me. You guys got those slick jackets. I got a wool jacket.
Yeah, you need a down jacket.
As you can see, you really can't tell where the sidewalk ends or where the street starts. It's all good. That's all this is.
Well, there's a lot of people down here. Let's see what's right. Oh.
I always see a dead person.
That wouldn't be funny.
These
Well,
are
Cameron, you should have on your hood.
these are conditions.
This one. Oh. Ah! Oh.
Well, it is. What time is it right now, Keanu? Well, what? Not even 10?
You said what?
What time is it about right now?
About 11.
11 o'clock and it's still snowing. We are literally right next to the lakefront. This is probably the worst street. One of the worst streets in Chicago right now. South Shore Drive. South Shore Drive is basically Lakeshore Drive.
Yeah. South Shore Drive turns. Lakeshore Drive turns into South Shore Drive.
So basically, full. This street is completely
I can't
deserted.
walk through this.
Right here, walk where we're going through. You gotta walk through the mountains.